3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plenty of room to add your own touches, and all behind this amazing secure sliding gate. I'm Adam Sater at Benchmark Real Estate Cairns. We're driven, we're passionate, we are here at 22 Best Street, Yorkeys Knob. Let's have a look. Welcome to 22 Best Street, Yorkeys Knob, a standout property in a highly sought after location. Positioned in a quiet, tree-lined street with strong community vibes, beautifully maintained with modern updates throughout. Spacious floor plan, offering multiple living areas, ideal for families or entertaining. Outside, you'll find the amazing shed, plenty of room for a workshop, potentially a granny flat. As I'm sure you can see, this house ticks a lot of boxes. You've got Yorkeys Knob State School just around the corner, as well as Smithfield College not too far away. If you can see yourself living here or investing here, give us a call. Adam Sater, Benchmark Real Estate Cairns, where our service is your benchmark.